If you are a blockchain developer like me, building project for your client, writing smart contract, testing, then you have to take all the hacks into your consideration when you are working on your smart contract, building the dApp for your client. And this is the tool which I use very often whenever I try to see and build a smart contract to check all the possibilities for minimizing the possibility of getting hacked my contract. So this is a tool by DefiLIama. You can come back to the hack section, and here you will find the entire analytical part that what are the contract got compromised since 2016 till now 24. What was the fund got out of the contract? What are the method the hacker were used in the contract to manipulate? And you will get the data about the companies and their clarification that how they are looking at to this hack. So you can see if you look at the total valuation of hack is 7.77 billion USD valuation. You can see that's a lot of money. If you talk about the DeFi USDT, it's a 5.85 billion. If you talk about the Bridges USDC, 2.83 billion. Bridges is a different concept. Definitely, I will bring a tutorial on this where I will clear all your doubt that what are the chances get raised when you work on the DeFi project related to the bridges. And if I scroll down here, you can able to find all the contracts, including the respective network, and you can able to find the clarification about the company that what is the problem. So some of the company have mentioned the logic issue and what are the technique the hacker were used to manipulate the contract. You can able to see the funds got lost during that hack. That's all you will find here. You can come here, you can go to the specific amount, and you can see that this is the biggest hack happened ever. It's 732.8 million USD money were taken from the contract. So that's all you can able to monitor. If you want to go into details, you can able to click and have a look. You can click on this, it will take you here, and you can able to see the paper and the details on the Twitter. The company also released the information about this particular hack, so you can able to see from your end. So this is really such a great tool, DefiLIama. I use every single day whenever I build any contract for my clients, whenever I try to find an investment opportunity, because this will give you a lot of data. So if I come back to the DefiLIama, here you can able to find the entire blockchain which exists. That's all you can combine here, and you can able to have a look that which blockchain is getting good amount of investment, good amount of meme coin, altcoin. That's all you can able to find. If I click on the Ethereum, you can see I have all this data about the Ethereum stablecoin fee, revenue, volume, treasury, business, TVL, and you can see the number of funds is getting increased, and now it's getting down, then it's going up. So you can able to see and monitor the transaction and the funding is getting into this particular blockchain. So if you come back to the Solana, a lot of new projects are coming on Solana, and you can see the total number of valuation like this time during like 21 to 22 is the high peak of the Solana. Right now it's got stabilized, but still it's growing on because a lot of new project is coming, and it's also focusing more towards the DeFi segment of the protocol. So you can able to have a look. You can see the entire valuation. That's all you can able to find. And if you come back to the overview, there you will find the details as an overview that what is the fund is locked as a total value in including all the blockchain. That's all you will find. If you go with the bridges total valuation, that's all you can able to monitor from here. I can see the Ethereum, Tron, BNNs, Solana, Arbitrum. You can see the total bridges amount. You can see the change. You can see the native, economical. That's all you can able to find here. If you go back to the compare chain, and you can literally make comparison, because this is very important when you want to launch your project. So the data is taking a little bit time for coming, but you can able to find the data. You can select the network, and you can simply pick all the network which you want to compare. That's all you can do that. Now, if you come back to the airdrop, so this is also a great tool where you can able to monitor that what are the latest airdrops are coming, because airdrops are a great opportunity for you to make extra money. If you find the right project and if you get the right airdrop, then you can able to make a good amount of money. So you can able to see that which network these airdrops are coming. You can see the total valuation. You can see the last time and the changes. That's all you can able to monitor. Here we have the treasury. This is the new feature they have included. There you can able to monitor all the transaction and treasury protocol, like the valuation in the stablecoin, ETH, own token. That's all you can able to monitor in respect of the project. If you go with the Oracle, here you will find the details about the Oracle, and you can able to do the analysis and do the comparison. Like you can see the chain link. We have the critical path, Stratboard. A lot of new things have introduced in the past couple of months. So you can able to find a lot of data. Here we have the fork, and you can see this is the fork. Yes, this is the fork one, and we have the top protocol. So you can able to see which one is the top protocol. As I told you that Ethereum is top. I generally work on Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Arbitrum. Base is also a very good one. I'll make a detailed video on this. And we have a Bitcoin as well. If you come to the compare section, you can able to do the comparison, including all that, but it's taking a little bit time. So let's move ahead. We have the protocol expenses. Here you can able to monitor that annual expenses. That's all you can able to monitor. If you want to read more about it, you can click that. So if you want to go towards the DeFi segment, this one is really great. Here you will find multiple options. If you want to go with the Solana swap, like DefiLIama swap, you can simply come here and you can able to do the swap of the token. That's very easy. Now, if you come back here, the one thing I like about this is bridges. It gives a very good amount of details about it, which you can able to explore and do the transactions. So this is the liquidation. Here you can able to monitor the liquidations about the chain, and you can able to have that. So there is tons of things. Again, I would encourage you to come back here, and you can see this is the yield is also here. So you can able to monitor that what exactly happening, what are the details you have, and what's going on in each of this particular blockchain. So this is really a good tool, and you have to use it. You have to use it when you are writing your contract, and you have to provide all of these details to your client when you are working on the project. That this is the logic you have implemented. This is the reason why you have attached this. You can also give this information about that hack happened, and this is how you are preventing. So when you will provide these kind of detail and do this kind of analysis, which you have to do when you are writing a smart contract for your client and you're going to deploy it. Otherwise, your contract will compromise and you're going to lose this amount of fund. You can see these amounts are really huge. So like this technology will go ahead and this kind of attack will happen. It always happen. So that's why you have to keep all the things in consideration when you work on a project, so you can minimize the chance of hacking. So this is the latest hack happened about like 0.34 million on the Laoway. And this is the reason, the clarification we have got from the company, but there's no technical information we have got. Soon it will come. So you can click here and you can come back to the Twitter, and here you will find the details about that hack happened. So again, I would encourage you come back here to this DefiLIama. It's a really powerful tool, and it has to be your part of your regular looking. So whenever you want to learn anything, you can come back here. When you are working on a project, come back here. Whenever you want to do any investment, you have to come and have a look and get all of these details. They also provide you an API. So if you want to build your own clone like DefiLIama, then all you have to do is to simply get the API and design this UI component, and you can simply feed the data. That's pretty easy. So I hope you guys have got an idea that how you can utilize this tool. Make sure to come and have a look on it. So with that, I'm ending this video. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.